Hello there, and welcome back to another episode of the Devlog series for SCP The Cycle, the story-based horror game that I'm currently making. This week's progress was a bit slow due to exams that I have this week and next week, but let's get right into it. First of all, the tutorial section. As I said last week, I'd be focusing on completing the requirements for the first public demo. The tutorial section is one of those. The game starts off with some dialogue and then shows you some messages where you'll learn the overall controls. These tutorial messages aren't final, but they'll do for now. After that, you are free to explore this little area where you can find several notes and a keycard. When you go down the main hallway, you'll see a door that requires a keycard. If you haven't picked up the keycard yet, it will prompt yet some more dialogue that says that you need to get one. That is the tutorial so far, but this still needs a lot of expanding. Now then, the biggest task this week was yet again the save and loading system. I cannot tell you how frustrating this thing is to make, and although I'm making good progress, new issues keep popping up every time I think of a solution for another problem. I've luckily managed to get the lists of data to save to the ini file, and saving works fine in-game. The only issue currently occurs when you try to load the game from the main menu. It won't load in all the items that were lying around. For example, I've got 3 keycards in this room. When I save this game and load it back from the main menu, one of the cards will have disappeared. I'll have to get on with that next week. Lastly, I've also been working on small optimisations, mainly removing unnecessary and unused code, which makes performance a bit better. And although performance was never an issue from the start, optimizations are never bad to make. Yet again, a slow week unfortunately, and you can expect the same for next week due to exams. I didn't expect to dedicate so much time into the load and save system, and it's frustrating me quite a bit. The goals for next week will simply consist of working further towards a playable demo. I've spoken about what needs to be done last week. Anyway, that was all for this week. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'm very open to suggestions, so do leave some feedback in the comments. If you want to keep up to date with the progress, consider subscribing. Bye for now, and I'll see you all next week.